Welcome back to the Naturally Good Remedies channel. Mix olive oil with clove water, and you will not be able to live without this remedy for the rest of your life, as it contains a wealth of health benefits. But, before you discover all of the amazing properties of this mixture and how to prepare it and incorporate it into your diet, if you have taken olive oil or cloves, hit the like button to know the number of people interested in this type of video. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel. What happens to your body when you combine olive oil and clove water? Extra virgin olive oil, like cloves, is an excellent supplement for those seeking a healthy lifestyle. Its advantages go beyond simply adding a lovely flavor to food. However, because it is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it is also important in providing many wonderful health benefits to your body. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of combining olive oil and clove water, as well as how to prepare and use this wonderful mixture optimally. The health and therapeutic advantages of combining olive oil and clove water. First, it aids in the treatment of digestive issues and acts as an anti-inflammatory as well as an antibacterial, viral, and fungal infection. The combination of cloves and olive oil stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes and aids in the treatment of stomach ulcers. It also helps with nausea and gas. Furthermore, cloves are high in fibers, which promote digestive health, and olive oil aids in the treatment of constipation. It has been scientifically proven that this mixture works to resist harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi and plays an important role in cleansing the intestines, particularly for those who suffer from intestinal worms or colon infections. Second, it functions as an immune booster. The dried clove flower bud contains vitamin C and compounds that aid in the growth of white blood cells, which aids in the fight against and recovery from infections. Furthermore, olive oil contains a high concentration of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants such as oleic acid and polyphenols, making this combination a powerful and effective immune system booster. Third, it helps to improve the liver's performance and functions while also making it healthier. Clove-infused olive oil water effectively contributes to the maintenance of the liver and its functions as a result of cloves containing eugenol, which reflects biochemical changes in hepatocytes that have anti-cancer activity. Furthermore, olive oil is regarded as a healthy fat with liver-beneficial properties. A scientific study on a group of people suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease discovered that taking a teaspoon of olive oil daily improves the liver's performance and functions while also protecting it from the effects of harmful free radicals and infection with hepatitis by eliminating the virus that causes it. Fourth, it aids in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Taking olive oil with clove water may help diabetics because the combination acts like insulin inside the body. Several studies have linked olive oil and cloves to improved blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity because they help to export excess sugar from the blood to the body's cells, thereby rebalancing blood sugar levels. The researchers discovered that consuming monounsaturated fatty acids, such as those found in extra virgin olive oil, along with a low dose of cloves reduces diabetes risk factors by increasing insulin production while also improving the performance of insulin-producing cells. Fifth, it has the potential to prevent cancer. Scientists from many universities around the world have discovered that the amazing eugenol found in cloves has anti-cancer properties, as the extract of cloves helps in reducing tumor growth and even contributed to killing cells in many copies of the body's cancerous cells, including lung, breast, and ovarian cancer. In addition to preventing the formation of genes that cause brain cancer, oleic acid in olive oil stimulates the production of a molecule that prevents the formation of genes that cause brain cancer. Sixth, it aids in weight loss by preventing fat accumulation in the body. When cloves are combined with olive oil, they aid in increasing metabolic rate, weight loss, and achieving a slim and healthy body. This is because cloves contains anti-bad cholesterol properties. It does not accumulate fat in the body, and it contains oleic acid, which stimulates the production of some hormones that regulate appetite, such as a peptide, which promotes satiety and reduces eating meals. 7. It strongly promotes bone health and is an effective treatment for joint and rheumatic pain. Cloves contain manganese, eugenol, and flavonoids, while olive oil contains anti-inflammatory polyphenols. These substances improve bone density and formation while also providing it with essential minerals. A 2018 study found that the number of people who consumed the most olive oil had an increase in bone density. This is due to anti-inflammatory polyphenols, which trigger mechanisms that prevent bone breakdown and stimulate bone formation. 8. It improves memory and brain function. Oxidative stress has been linked to the development of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. However, the polyphenols in olive oil, particularly oleocanthal, act as a powerful antioxidant, helping to counteract this effect. According to a 2019 study, the oil helps restore the function of the blood-brain barrier and reduces neuroinflammation, which slows the progression of Alzheimer's disease. The 9th benefit is that it strongly promotes cardiovascular health. Extra virgin olive oil is high in hydroxytyrosol and oleocanthal, two natural bioactive compounds that fight oxidative stress in the body, which damages proteins and DNA and contributes to heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and dementia. The abundance of polyphenols in olive oil makes it an important anti-inflammatory and aids in the prevention of excessive blood clotting and the prevention of atherosclerosis, which is responsible for a number of cardiovascular diseases such as high blood pressure, angina, and myocardial infarction. Cloves are already a great source of beta-carotene, which contributes to the flower's lovely brown color. The carotene pigment family is an important antioxidant for human health, and carotene pigments can be converted into vitamin A, an important nutrient for maintaining eye health. It also contains pharmacologically active phytochemicals such as beta-testosterone, which are plant sterols that may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce swelling in the prostate and other tissues. Cloves also contain ascorbic acid, which is good for the body. Preparation and usage. To make this mixture, combine the following ingredients: 5 cloves, 1 cup hot water, and 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Cover the cup tightly for about 15 minutes, then remove the lid. Remove the cloves from the water and combine them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a spoonful of honey to enhance the flavor. Sip a spoonful of the mixture an hour before bedtime and continue drinking this way for 2 consecutive weeks. Then, take a break and stop drinking for a week. After the 1-week break, continue drinking 1 spoonful for 2 more weeks. It's very important to not over-intake this remedy because taking cloves on a regular basis may harm the body's beneficial bacteria. Cloves are only safe and useful when used in moderation. Cloves should not be given to or placed near infants, and they should be avoided by people who have bleeding disorders or are about to undergo surgery, or people who are taking anticoagulant medications. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments down below and don't forget to subscribe to receive new video notifications. Thanks for watching.